Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set a server. Start by choosing hardware or a cloud plan, pick an operating system, and outline network topology and backup strategy. Think about user roles, firewall rules, and monitoring needs up front. This prevents surprises later and keeps your server reliable. I'll walk you through each step in a friendly, practical way so you can follow along and build a solid foundation. Begin by installing your chosen operating system and applying all updates, then enable SSH and configure key-based authentication for secure remote access. Create a non-root account with sudo, set the hostname and time zone, and partition storage if needed. Install essential packages and enable a firewall, then harden SSH by disabling password auth and root login. These steps make your server usable and protected from common attacks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that keeps your commute pleasant after long server builds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a fresher ride while your services deploy. Now let's get back to the video. Install the services you need, such as a web server, database, or file server, and configure them with secure defaults and service accounts. Always enable TLS for external connections, enforce strong passwords, and schedule automated updates or patches. Add monitoring and alerting so you know about resource bottlenecks or failures, and implement automated backups with periodic restores to verify data integrity. These habits keep your server healthy and resilient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.